Hi everyone, and welcome back to Spoon Harbor. It all starts right here in the lavender garden. Just a few fresh sprigs, and suddenly the whole kitchen smells like summer. Fresh cut lavender smells completely different from dried lavender, and that's exactly where today's recipe begins. One of my favorite parts is stepping outside, picking a few sprigs, and using them right away. There's something really special about it. It feels like bringing a little piece of the garden straight into the kitchen. Today, we're making soft, buttery lavender scones. Golden and lightly crisp on the outside, soft and fluffy inside, with a delicate lavender flavor. Add a little whipped cream, and suddenly they're dessert. No complaints here. Here's everything we'll need. 240 grams all-purpose flour, 10 grams baking powder, 100 grams cold butter, 60 grams sugar, 2 teaspoons dried lavender buds, 170 milliliters milk, a pinch of salt, about 40 milliliters milk for brushing. All right, let's get started. Add the sifted flour to a mixing bowl. Next, the baking powder, the cold butter, a pinch of salt. Mix everything together with a spatula first. Then use your fingertips to rub the butter into the flour until it looks like coarse crumbs. This is the secret to soft, tender scones with those beautiful flaky layers. Fresh lavender has a lighter aroma than dried lavender, but once it's dried, the flavor becomes much more concentrated. That's why I usually bake with dried lavender. Grind the dried lavender buds in a mortar and pestle. It really wakes up the aroma and releases all those wonderful essential oils into the dough. Add the lavender to the bowl, then the sugar. Mix everything together well. Now all that's left is adding the milk and bringing the dough together. Try not to add extra flour. The dough should just come together and still feel slightly sticky. Dust your work surface generously with flour. Transfer the dough onto the surface. Gently shape it into a ball, coating it lightly with flour so it's easier to work with. Flatten the dough into a disc with your hands, then roll it out to about ½ an inch thick. Now use a 3-inch round cutter to cut out the scones. Dip the cutter into flour every now and then. It'll keep the dough from sticking. Remove the extra dough, leaving only the scones behind. Carefully lift each one with a spatula. Grease the baking tray with butter. Transfer the scones to the tray. This is the thickness you're aiming for, about ½ an inch. Brush each scone with a little milk for that beautiful golden finish. Top them with a few lavender buds. Bake at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, using conventional bake, no fan. If you want to turn these into the perfect summer treat, make a simple whipped cream. Take about 200 grams of cold heavy cream, add powdered sugar to taste, and whip it to soft peaks. Make sure your bowl is nice and cold before whipping the cream. Add powdered sugar to taste, whip until soft peaks form. Now let's put everything together. Carefully slice each scone in half. A serrated knife works best here. Spread the whipped cream onto the bottom half, then place the top back on. These scones are incredibly light and tender. The lavender adds a delicate floral note, and the whipped cream makes every bite extra rich and creamy. Thanks for baking with me. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And remember, you've got this. See you next time.